DJN TV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJN TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. This is your first time of joining us, a very big welcome. Do not forget to go a step further, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Now let's take you straight up into the main news.
Huriwa Don want Nigerians say may they not accept Dave Umahi as next president. Plus, APC for Ebonyi State don't back Dave Umahi presidential bid. Hey guys, na still DJN TV Daily News now they watch so. The Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, whether they call Huriwa, don't want Nigerians say may they not support the ambition of Ebonyi State governor, whether they call Dave Umahi, to emerge as the next president of this country. If una go recall, DJN TV Daily News don report say Dave Umahi, wey be the governor of Ebonyi State, wey dump the People's Democratic Party, use the two leg run go the All Progressive Congress APC, come out come declare the intention say he wan run for presidency for the forthcoming general election for inside 2023. And according to Dave Umahi, he say he don tell the president say he wan contest for the election, and President Buhari don give am go ahead say everybody dey free to contest for the election. Anybody wey wan contest make e contest. He say but make e go consult widely, make e go meet the leaders of the All Progressive Congress, the top leaders, make e tell dem say see your ambition, so wetin he wan do. And he don come out come talk say all the plenty things wey he don do for Ebonyi State, for we make Ebonyi State now come be small America or small London. He say all those kind things now he wan do for inside Nigeria. He say so make Nigerians support am. He say the southeast too say they deserve presidency for inside this country. He say na dem na go produce the next president for inside Naija. Say but if the All Progressive Congress, if dem fit zone the thing go the southern part of this country, he say him believe say with wetin he don do for inside Ebonyi State and wetin he don do for the southeast as the chairman of the southeast governors, he say he go run for the presidency under the platform of the All Progressive Congress. Make we not forget say the national leader of the All Progressive Congress too does he talk say he wan come out for the election wey dey come for 2023 so as president. And Dave Umahi still talk say he go remove ethnicity and religion for inside the politics, and he say na only that one I go fit make Nigeria to grow. Because as all this one dey happen so, the national coordinator of the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, Huriwa, wey dem dey call Comrade Emmanuel Owubiko, he say for one shot when he call the 10 newsmen say Umahi na dictator. He say if Umahi come become president for inside Nigeria, he say that mean say we go get more dictatorship for inside the country. He say Umahi no get regard for press freedom. He say Umahi no dey respect the press at all. He say Umahi don talk so many things when he don do. He say but he forget to talk say he order the arrest of many journalists for inside Ebonyi State. He say so dem don urge all the media houses to ensure say the governor presidential ambition so he say they go crash am. He say he no go even near 2023. He say dem no go vote for am, dem no go support am for anything wey he wan do. Say because he no get respect for the press and he no get respect for Nigerians wey come for other parts of this country. We go talk say Huriwa no dey support the aspiration of Governor Dave Umahi to be president for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He say because he get terrible character wey dem take call am say he na dictator. He say somebody wey be like say absolutely he no dey tolerate any free press conference, he no dey tolerate anything to do with press, he no dey wan use ear hear am. He say if he hear am he dey arrest the person sharp. Say for inside Nigeria for the 36 states so wey we get governor for inside so, he say Dave Umahi na him be the only governor wey be like say he don order the arrest of more journalists than all the past military dictators put together. That means say Governor Dave Umahi him worse pass all the past military dictators if they put all of them join together. He say so he no fit be president for inside this country. So Huriwa say that they use this medium to dey advise the media wey dey inside Nigeria say make dem take note of wetin dey talk so, and make dem ensure say Dave Umahi e no become Nigerian president at all, say because if he achieve am, hey, he say na bye bye to the media industry for inside Nigeria. He say Dave Umahi go rule Nigeria like say he na North Korea dictator. This one na still DJ MTV Daily News Update na you dey lis ten to so. If this na your first time wey you take dey see any of our video, or you be returning subscriber, make you no forget to like, share and comment on all our videos. So make you still follow us for all our social media platforms, for Facebook, for YouTube and also for Instagram. Make we go back to inside the story wey we dey talk. Meanwhile, for other news, the former chief of staff wey dem dey call Lieutenant General Oyinbo Azubike Ijerika, wey don retire, don come out come disclose say he don join the All Progressives Congress, and he make this one clear yesterday for a country home wey dey inside Abia State, and he come dey talk say he join the All Progressives Congress to make himself available to do more service to Nigeria, and he say he dey ready to make sacrifice make the party for enjoy many victory for inside their election. He come still talk say the year 2022 he say he go come with more challenges as political activities go come strong well because 2023 election e don dey near ground. He come talk say make Nigerians no expect say the challenges of this country go disappear overnight. He say e no go disappear overnight o. He say because this year 2022 he say e go dey more stressful than any other year for this country. Say many aspirants and candidates say dem go come out to say dem wan contest for some kind position. He say even for Abia State sef, he say dem require qualified person wey get capacity to provide leadership wey be like say go reposition the state as one of the country's commercial hub after Lagos State. But also make we no forget say as the governor of Ebonyi State don come out say he wan be president for inside Naija, the Ebonyi State chapter of the All Progressives Congress don come out come stand for a back say the presidential bid so of Governor Dave Umahi must come to pass. Dem come talk say the 6 years of his performance over for inside office for inside Ebonyi State, he say na he go give am victory for a bid to govern this country for 2023. This statement so wey we dey talk now so na the state chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Chief Stanley Okoro, na him talk say dem clap hand for Dave Umahi for am to even come out come talk say he wan contest the 2023 presidential election. He say so dem dey assure am say dem dey behind the back and dem go give am the party full support for inside the state. Chief Okoro na still be the special security consultant to the state government. Dey maintain say Umahi's decision to run for the presidency na very bold step wey he don take so, and e show say he get confidence say the presidency go bring massive infrastructure development and economic prosperity to the country. He say the citizens sef dem dey consider the performance of the Ebonyi State government. He say so Ebonyi State governor for the presidency. Na so he come talk am. So my country people, how una see this one? Una fit say Umahi go fit still rule this country? Una fit say him get wetin e take to take govern this country the way e take govern? You know say some Nigerians don talk say to rule state and to rule country say difference dey o. E say state na 25 local government or highest 30-something local government na im dey inside. E say but country na all the local government of the country put together na im dey inside o. He say and e plenty well. He say difference dey for you to dey lead state and to wan lead the country. He say e take man of capacity to do that kind one. He say so na so wetin some Nigerians dey talk. But wetin una think? Make una no forget say Huriwa Don still come out say Dave Umahi say na dictator. He say make the press no support Dave Umahi for anything. He say because he no dey respect media. He say na him be the person wey don arrest journalists pass for the whole of the 36 state governors. He say na him don arrest the part. He say Dave Umahi worse pass all the military dictator put together. That one show say the things don fall apart. So my people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Make dem still support Dave Umahi for presidency or make dem not support am? Make una drop una comment for the comment section below.
Thank you so much for staying with us till the very end of this video. Do not forget to go a step further if you've not done so. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, do not forget to like and share this video. Do follow follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Guess what, guys? From the 1st of August 2021, DJMTV offers you an opportunity to report your event from where you are on our channel. We call it Report Yourself to the World. You want to be a part of this great program? Then please click on our bio, send us a message, and we'll give you details on how to report yourself to the world. They are coming away again with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Lawuru Favor.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.